Hey guys, just doing some driveway cleaning here in Apollo Beach, the Mirror Bay subdivision. Again, using our 8-gallon-a-minute machine for a surface cleaner. You can see how it's just melting away the dirt there. Already did the sidewalks here. Here shortly we're going to be post-treating the sidewalks, so that just one extra little dose that we do to keep these sidewalks and driveways cleaner a little bit longer. Not everyone post-treats. We pre-treat and post-treat so that we can give the customer the best value for their buck. Pre-treating allows us to get a much better clean and faster and thorough. And then post-treating, after we've cleaned it and rinsed it, just gets it a little bit more bright and cleans it just a little bit longer than just leaving it without a post-treatment. That's what we have found, in our opinion. Not everyone does that, but we think it's worth doing it for our customers. Again, doing some driveway cleaning and sidewalk cleaning and front entrance cleaning here in Apollo Beach at the Mirror Bay subdivision.